Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix no sound during calls on your Samsung Galaxy A17. So first, what we want to do is we want to go over to the settings. Here, we need to scroll a bit down until we see sounds and vibration. Now here, we need to go over to volume. And in the volume, we need to make sure that we increase our media volume and the call volume. The call volume is the most important thing right here. And as you guys can see, it's not here. Not many phones have this. So the only way to change the call volume is during a call. Now, you change it by pressing up the volume up button right here. As you guys can see, we do not have the call volume. So we have to do that only during a call, sadly. But after that, we need to go back to the settings and here go over to the connections. We need to select the Bluetooth and we need to make sure that our Bluetooth is disabled. So click on disable. Now here we need to rule out any connected devices like your headphones, car, TV or anything else, because that might be the reason you're not getting sound during calls. Now here right up top we have the earpiece and you guys might want to clean it with a soft brush. It's very effective, it can help a lot with your sound, and then after you clean it, you guys can test it with another call right here or use another app like WhatsApp or something else that supports the call system. Now what you guys can do is restart the phone. So hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time. Now click on restart and tap again to restart the phone. So now I'll see you guys once the phone is completely restarted. Now after the phone restart, what you guys can do is, let me quickly enter the password. We need to go over to the settings. So let the phone start up and here we will have an option to go over to the settings. So let's open them. We need to wait a bit. The phone will still be lagging because it just turned on. So now we need to scroll a bit down until we see the general management. Now here we need to click on reset. And here we need to reset mobile network settings. We don't reset all settings or factory reset. We reset mobile network settings. Click on reset settings and confirm with your password if you have one. As you guys can see, we just click reset and now it's all done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.